Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So today let's draw some different kinds of houses and the pictures today. So I'm drawing a tree houses. So here a wood is being drawn and the trees, the branches and the apples has been drawn and the windows and the leaf is being drawn. Here's a beautiful tree house that has been drawn. Let me put some shade and the suns has been drawn and the clouds and different emojis also has been drawn with green shades. So again I'm drawing a mushroom house. So again a door has been drawn and the window and the chimney is being drawn. So here's a beautiful mushroom house and the way and then chimney where the smoke goes out of it, and a gate is being drawn next to the houses, and we need a grass and the flowers and the sun, and then put some shades with green color and orange color. So again an house, then a door and the window, and then chimney is being drawn. So chimney is kind of olden days where they use a technique where whatever the cook, the smoke has to go out of the house. So that is the way to go out of the house. Here's a beautiful chimney and a smiling sun is drawn. Sun is a major part to give light to the earth and the house. So again a circle, then again a door and a window, and then drawing a grasses and the big branches of tree, then drawing the wood and shape them with brown color, and then draw the way. Let's draw some clouds, and again between the clouds let's the sun bright. And then again I'm drawing one more triangle and a square box. Again a door has been drawn and a window and a heart has been drawn as a small window, and then chimney is been drawn. So again houses, branches has been drawn, then gate has been drawn, then we are drawing a way. So let's draw some flowers and put them in the shades with a green and red. So again an house has been drawn, then slowly a door is being drawn and the window is being drawn, and then we are decorating the top of the house and the chimney is being drawn, then the leaves has been drawn slowly. Put some shades with green crayon and the green leaves and blue crayon, and then using a black sketch drawing a flower next to the house to make more pretty with a pink shade. Then again I'm drawing one more house, drawing a windows and then a door and then a gate and a branches. So every house, so there might be a plants to do gardening and the way. Let's put some shades. Let's shade with the green crayon and a pink color and draw a crow, shade them with black color. So again I'm drawing one more house. First I'm drawing a chimney and then an house and then one more house. Then we are drawing a smoke coming out of the chimney. We are drawing 3 windows and then a door. Let's draw some grasses, and then I'm gonna draw a big leaves of trees with the pink shades and shade them. Then again sun to make light more brighter and make the house look more brighter and shade them. So slowly next one more house has been drawn, again a door and the window. So trees is been drawn and the clouds has been drawn. So and then gates has been drawn and the rainbow has been drawn. So 7 rainbows and shade them with the 7 different colors and make the house more prettier. So again a door, then a window and then a chimney. So a sun and the trees has been drawn next to the houses and the way has been drawn, crows has been drawn. Here's a beautiful house.